Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you 6 best online legit ways of making money in 2023. Whether you are looking for a side hustle, a full-time income, or just some extra cash, there's something for everyone in this video. So let's get started. The first one is affiliate marketing, which is a way of making money online by promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for every sale or action that you generate. Affiliate marketing is one of the oldest and most popular ways of making money online because it's a low cost, flexible, and passive job. You can become an affiliate marketer by joining affiliate programs or networks that offer products or services that are related to your niche or interest. You can then create content such as blog posts, videos, podcasts, social media posts, or email newsletters that recommend or review the products or services that you are promoting. You can also use platforms like WordPress or Squarespace to create your own website or blog where you can host your content. To succeed with affiliate marketing, you need to provide valuable and relevant content that helps your audience solve their problems or achieve their goals. You also need to build trust and credibility with your audience and use effective strategies to drive traffic and conversions to your content. According to Smart Passive Income, affiliate marketing can earn you anywhere from $0 to $10,000 per month, depending on how much traffic and sales you generate from your content. Some successful affiliate marketers have even made over $100,000 per month from their online businesses. So the second one has to do with online freelance work, which is a way of making money online by offering your skills or services to clients who need them. Do freelancing in various fields such as writing, programming, design, marketing, data entry, translation, and more. You can find freelance work online through websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and freelancer.com. These websites connect freelancers with clients from all over the world. Freelancing is a great way to make money online if you have a talent, a skill, or a passion that you can turn into a service. You can set your own rates, choose your own projects, and work on your own schedule. You can also build your portfolio, reputation, and network as you grow your freelance business. To succeed with freelancing, you need to create a professional profile that showcases your skills and experience and apply for jobs that match your expertise and interests. You also need to deliver high quality work on time and communicate well with your clients. According to NetWallet, freelancing can earn you from $0 to $10,000 per month, depending on how much work you do and how much you charge. Some successful freelancers have even made 6 figures or more from their online businesses. So the third way by which you can make money is by testing websites and apps. This has to do with the testing websites and apps for usability, functionality, design, and feedback. You can do this by signing up for sites like usertesting.com, which pay you to visit websites or apps, complete a set of tasks, and speak your thoughts aloud. You can also use sites like userviews.com, which pay you to participate in online research, studies, or interviews that are about various products or services. Testing websites and apps is a fun and easy way to make money online if you enjoy browsing the web. Usually you don't need any skills for this. You understand? So you just need a computer or a smartphone with a microphone and an internet connection. To succeed with testing websites and apps, you need to follow the instructions carefully. You have to be honest and constructive in your feedback and complete the test in a timely manner. So, according to usertesting.com, testing websites and apps can earn you $10 for every 20-minute test you complete. According to userinterviews.com, participating in online research studies or interviews can earn you $50 to $100 per hour on average. This is also referred to as what we can call online survey. So it's also what we can call online survey. So where you test for apps, websites, and the likes. So the fourth one is drop shipping, which is a business model where you sell products online without having to deal with inventory, shipping, or fulfillment. All you need to do is to create an online store, you find products from suppliers and make them available to your customers. So when someone buys from you, the supplier ships the products directly to them and you keep your gain. So all you have to do is just to market to your buyers. So drop shipping is one of the most popular ways of making money online because it is easy to start and the risk is very low. You can sell anything from clothing, accessories, electronics, to pet supplies. You can also use platforms like Shopify to create your own online store and use apps like Obelo to find and add products to your store. To succeed with drop shipping, you need to do some research on what products are in demand, what prices are competitive, and how to market your store effectively. You also need to provide good customer service and handle any issues that may arise with your orders. According to Obelo, dropshipping can earn you anywhere from $200 to $3,000 per month as a beginner, depending on how much time and effort you put into it. Some successful dropshippers have made like 6 or even 7 figures from their online stores. The fifth one has to do with YouTube channels, which is the world's largest video sharing platform and the second most visited website in the world. YouTube allows you to create and upload videos on any topic that you are passionate or knowledgeable about and reach millions of viewers around the world. YouTube is also a way to make money online by monetizing your videos with ads, sponsorships, merchandise, or memberships. YouTube is a great way to make money online if you have a unique voice, a talent, a skill, or a story to share with the world. You can create videos on anything from entertainment, comedy, to education and lifestyle. So you can also use platforms like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to optimize your videos for SEO, analytics, and growth. To succeed as a YouTuber, you need to create an informative and entertaining videos consistently. According to YouTube, you can earn anywhere from $0.01 to $0.03 per view or $3 to $5 per 1,000 video views depending on your niche, location, and audience. Some successful YouTubers have even made millions of dollars from their channels. So those are the top 6 online legit ways of making money in 2023. Of course, there are many other ways to make money online, and it's up to you to find what works best for you. But hopefully, this video has given you some inspiration and ideas on where to get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.